Hello and welcome to my three-part video on a small bathroom renovation. What you're looking at now is what the bathroom looked like before we began. We've got tile all over the walls and the floor and an outdated vanity that we're going to gut and replace pretty much everything. So I hope you enjoy. I noticed right away that this vanity had no shut-off valves. So this means before we take the vanity out, we're going to have to shut the main water off downstairs prior to removing this whole vanity. I started this project by removing all the tiles on the wall first. Take the towel bar off. There's usually a small screw underneath. Remove the nuts on both sides of the toilet. Disconnect the water line going to the tank, and of course shut the water line off going to the toilet. With the toilet now removed, I went ahead and stuffed a rag down the hole so that no gas smells came up. I continued just removing all the tiles from the wall. Again, for the vanity, there was no shut-off valve, so I had to shut the main water off downstairs. And here I'm just showing you where I'm going to cut the water line so that I can get this vanity out of here. And then what I'll have to do is put on some my own shut-off valves. Here I'm just connecting the water lines going to the faucet, and of course cutting off the ABS pipe. Again, once you cut that ABS pipe, be sure to stuff a rag in there. You don't want any gas smells coming up through that pipe. Okay, with my water lines disconnected, I'm free to go ahead and rip the vanity out. As you can see, I've done that. Here's a good look of the bathroom with all the tile on the wall ripped out, toilet gone, vanity gone, swept up and looking a little bit cleaner now. And as you can see here next, I'm going to go ahead and put on some compression shutoff valves. Whenever you're putting in a new vanity, if it doesn't already have shutoff valves, you want to put shutoff valves. It's going to make your life and anybody else's life easier whenever some work has to be done to that faucet. I like working with these compression valves. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're very easy to put on, very quick, and I've never had a problem with them. So I don't know if you noticed, but when I removed the toilet around the closet flange, the floor was pretty rotted and it looked like there was some mold and whatnot. So I don't play games. I went ahead and cut out an opening around the closet flange to replace that plywood with some fresh, non-molded plywood. So here you can see me putting in the support so I can put some new plywood on. I'm going to do this in 3 sections. I didn't want to cut out the closet flange and put a new closet flange in there, so I'm just going to put in my plywood around the closet flange onto my support that I've created. Here now you'll see the new plywood, which has been screwed and glued down, and it won't go anywhere. Very strong. Next, you see me laying out my cement board on the ground, just laying it out, getting it pre-cut before I put it down. I'm using 2 different kinds of cement board here because I had some scraps that I wanted to use up, so that's why you'll see 2 different kinds, but both the same thickness, so it'll work fine. I went ahead and laid down or V-notched some mortar down first before you put the cement board down, and then I'm going to screw down the cement board using cement screws on top of the thin set mortar that I again put down with the V-notch trowel. I went ahead and just put the cement board right over the heater vent, and I'll just come back along later on and cut it out.